Mother of four Ada Merkovic knows firsthand how Queensland's sickness outbreak has affected her family.
We've had our fair share of illness this year already, with RSV and also walking pneumonia.
The state recording increased cases of COVID, influenza and RSV, but it's the spike in whooping cough that has doctors most worried.
We have seen over 5,000 cases of whooping cough.
That's almost 20 times the average year-to-date number of cases, while the free vaccine is available to young children aged 2 months to 4 years, teens aged 12 to 13 and pregnant women. It costs more than $35 to get the jab privately.
We are calling on the Queensland Government to fund the whooping cough vaccine because we do know the cost of living pressures are affecting, people getting that vaccine.
Given that people for whom the vaccine is already free are not taking it up, I actually don't think cost is the problem here.
The AMA says it would reduce emergency presentations and ease demand on limited stocks of antibiotics, which are already in short supply.
Pharmacists are compounding antibiotics, so they convert that from a tablet to a solution form to make it accessible for the community.
It doesn't make sense to immunise the very young and the older and to keep primary school children out of the loop.
And give parents peace of mind. Samantha Heathwood, 7 News.